Hey my beautiful lilies, welcome back to your favorite little corner on the internet. You already know why we're here. You want to glow up, but your wallet said, try again later. So today, I'm going to be your big sister, your mentor, your glow up coach, and show you exactly how to glow up in just 7 days, with zero money and maximum results. No serums. No facials. No shopping carts. Just you, your home, and these tips that I've tried, tested, and trusted. So grab your mirror, tie up your hair, and let's get into it, because your glow up starts now. Let's begin with the lips, because dry lips are not the vibe. Here's what you'll do. In a small bowl, mix 1 spoon of sugar with honey or coconut oil, whatever you have. Gently scrub your lips for 30 seconds. If you have a soft toothbrush, use that too. The smoothness after that feels so good. Now for that natural tint, if you've got beetroot, grate it and dab the juice on your lips. Let it sit for 10 minutes. If you don't have beetroot, mix cinnamon and coconut oil and apply it like a gloss. It'll tingle a little because it's boosting blood flow and making your lips look naturally fuller. And one reminder, stop licking your lips. Drink your water. Moisturize. Hydrate like the queen you are. Let's move up to your eyes, because your lashes and brows are the real MVPs of your face. And no, you don't need expensive products, just this. Take a clean spoolie or a toothbrush and brush your brows upward. Then apply a tiny bit of Vaseline or coconut oil. It gives that polished, fluffy, lifted brow look. For lashes, brew green tea and let it cool. Dip a cotton bud and gently swipe it on your lash line. It helps strengthen and grow your lashes naturally. To go further, mix castor oil, aloe vera gel, and a drop of vitamin E. Store it in a clean mascara or eyeliner bottle, and apply it at night. Your future lashes will thank you. Now we need to talk about your nose, not the filtered version, the real one. Your own. Let's lift and shape it naturally. Press your tongue to the roof of your mouth. Use your index finger to gently lift the tip of your nose and hold for 10 seconds. Repeat 5 times. Then, massage the sides of your nose in upward circles. Pinch the bridge. Glide your fingers from between your brows out to your temples. It reduces puffiness and lifts your nose naturally. If you want that sculpted side profile, smile with your mouth closed. Lift the nose tip a bit, and hold. Repeat daily. It feels silly at first, but stay consistent. Now, hair time. Healthy, shiny hair just hits different. Start with a 5-minute scalp massage. Use only your fingertips and make little circles. This boosts blood flow and stimulates growth. If you have coconut or olive oil, warm a spoonful and use it while massaging. It adds hydration and shine. Now make rice water. Soak half a cup of rice in water overnight. Strain it and use it after shampooing. Massage for 2 minutes, then rinse. This method strengthens hair and helps with growth. And if you're still using cotton pillowcases, switch to satin or silk. It prevents frizz, breakage, and protects your glow up while you sleep. Next up, hands and nails. Rub a lemon slice on your nails. It brightens and removes polish stains. Then mix crushed garlic with warm coconut oil. Massage into your nails and cuticles. Leave for 15 minutes, then rinse. Soak your hands in warm water and gently push back your cuticles. Even with no polish, your hands will look clean and elegant. Now let's talk skin, your glow up canvas. Mix turmeric, honey, and milk into a paste. Apply on your face and neck for 15 minutes, then rinse with cold water. This fades scars, fights acne, and gives a radiant glow. Use it 3 times a week. To wake your skin up, glide an ice cube over your face every morning. It tightens pores, reduces puffiness, and refreshes your entire mood. Got a pimple? Apply a little white toothpaste overnight. No gel, just plain white toothpaste. You'll thank yourself in the morning. Now, Lily's posture and presence. Because no matter how good you look, slouching ruins the vibe. Stand against a wall. Arms in a W shape. Slide them up into a Y, then back down. Repeat 10 times daily. It opens your chest and corrects your back. Stretch your neck, left, right, forward, and back. Hold each for 10 seconds. And here's a powerful habit: every time you sip water, reset your posture. Shoulders back. Chin up. You glow different when you own your space. And just like that, your $0 glow up is complete. You didn't need a cart. You didn't need filters. You needed consistency and belief in yourself. Glow-ups are not about changing who you are. They're about becoming more of who you were always meant to be. Tell me in the comments, which glow-up ritual are you starting tonight? Which one are you making part of your daily life? If this helped you, like the video, subscribe for weekly glow-ups, and share it with a Lily who needs this energy. Until next time, keep glowing, keep growing, and never forget you are already enough.